Imagine a world where every physical object has a digital counterpart. This is the reality of digital twins, reshaping industries by providing real-time insights and predictions. This video is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out i4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have concept to code offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Digital twins consist of three core components: the physical entity, its digital model, and a continuous data connection. This synergy allows for constant updates and optimization. Real-time data synchronization is the magic behind digital twins. Sensors and IoT devices feed continuous data, ensuring the digital model mirrors its physical counterpart accurately. Digital twins personalize customer journeys by creating virtual replicas of interactions. Businesses can visualize customer paths, identifying pain points and opportunities for improvement. Predicting customer behavior becomes remarkably accurate with digital twins. Machine learning algorithms analyze data to forecast actions, preferences, and even potential churn. Product recommendations are optimized using digital twins. These models consider browsing patterns and external factors, enhancing personalization and boosting conversion rates. Digital twins optimize urban traffic flow by simulating entire transportation networks. Cities can test traffic light configurations and routing strategies without real-world disruptions. Energy efficiency in city infrastructure improves with digital twins. Virtual models identify waste patterns, allowing for dynamic management and significant energy savings. Enhanced emergency response is possible through digital simulations. Cities can prepare for disasters by mapping scenarios and coordinating multi-agency responses effectively. Digital twins accelerate drug discovery by simulating human biology. Researchers can test thousands of compounds virtually, reducing development timelines and costs. Personalized treatment plans are crafted using digital twins. These models simulate individual patient responses, optimizing therapies and improving outcomes. Predicting disease progression becomes precise with digital twins. Simulations identify health risks early, enabling proactive interventions and better patient care. Assessing organizational readiness is crucial for digital twin implementation. Evaluate IT infrastructure, data quality, and team expertise to ensure a smooth transition. Selecting the right platform depends on industry needs. Consider specific use cases and integration requirements to choose a platform that aligns with your goals. Building cross-functional teams is key to successful deployment. Combine technical skills with domain expertise to translate business requirements into effective digital twin solutions. Data privacy and security are paramount in digital twin adoption. Establish robust governance frameworks and encryption standards to protect sensitive information. Integration complexity with existing systems can be challenging. Use middleware solutions and phased approaches to bridge compatibility gaps and ensure seamless data flows. Ensuring data quality and real-time synchronization is essential. Implement validation processes and edge computing to maintain accuracy and minimize delays. Digital twins transform industries by offering real-time insights and predictive capabilities. They surpass traditional models, providing dynamic, evolving representations that drive efficiency and innovation. Identify areas for digital twin implementation in your organization. Start small, scale as you gain insights, and join the digital twin revolution to stay ahead in your industry.